Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting comfortable. Sit on a stable chair and elevate your foot slightly so you can reach easily. Once settled, unfasten any straps and use your thumbs to roll the top cuff down 1 to 2 inches to break the seal. This reduces tightness and prevents sudden tugging. Make sure to smooth any wrinkles and inspect the skin for irritation. Doing this first prevents pain and reduces the chance of tearing fragile hosiery later. Now you remove the stocking using controlled, alternating movements so it slides rather than stretches. Grip the fabric at the heel and calf, avoid pulling from the toe to protect seams. Once your fingers are under the heel, gather a small section and pull it down toward the ankle, then switch hands and repeat down the leg. This stepwise release maintains even tension, prevents sudden give, and reduces friction on fragile skin, which matters especially. Finish by rolling the remaining material over the foot in small, steady motions until it comes off completely. If a spot is stuck, pause and lift gently at the edge, then re-roll from the top rather than yanking. You can flex the ankle to loosen the fabric around the heel. Make sure to inspect both the stocking and your skin. Wash the stocking per instructions and check your skin for redness or sores. If pain or wounds appear, stop and consult a clinician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.